Well, apparently fuel filter didn't fix it, 'cause it just happened again. Kind of rough idle and then it conked out, so I'll see if we can get started. Uh-oh. No diesel. Smoke. I don't see any though. Oh, guess it wasn't the fuel filter. It pinked right up after sitting for 2 days last night. It's gotta be something with it being in the morning, being cold, being damp. It's definitely not with it sitting for a long time. It's gotta be temperature. It's the only thing I can think of. Because it cranks up always perfect in the afternoon. Alright, let's see if I can take my foot off the gas. It'll be fine now. I guess it wasn't as easy of a fix as I thought it was gonna be.